Hello, today let's install a nylon cutting head. The old nylon cutting head is removed, as you can see, and now we can see here all the technique behind that. We are now placing the plate at the first step. Then we can insert the new cutting head and we are tighten it to the left side. That means anti-clockwise direction. But to tighten it full, we need a hacked wrench for it. We now take the hacked wrench through a hole on the protector cover and we can gear the case. We turn the receiver washer until it is locked by the hacked wrench. We turn, then it is easy to tighten position. Job's done. The nylon cutting head is in position. To use it, we have to push this nylon cutting head onto the ground a little bit, and then the nylon will come out and it will cut because of the blade on the protective cover to the range as it should be while it is moving. Now we have to insert it first. To make this step, we have to insert it into our multifunction power head. For this, we open the power head holding system manually, and then we push our device into position. There is a red arrow which has to be lined up with our multifunction power head as well. Now we have to move it into position. Maybe tilt it a little bit, then it will get into position and we can manually lock this device into it. Here we are, it's now locked. Good job. Now rotate the lever to the lock position too. And after this, we have to start the engine, and then we continue with the cutting process. And then we can have fun with that device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.